Up on an evergreen tree in front of the Lashford Ranch, we have 2 red-tailed hawks. Both look to have their back to us. Speedy's down. There she comes. Okay. We're at Fluffy's. It's a cold morning, but the sun's coming out, so that should warm things up. Emptied out her water dish because it was filled with leaves. We had a lot of wind last night. Refilled it up and filled up her dry food dish too. At the Lutheran church, and we didn't see Collie yesterday. We didn't see her as we were heading to Elby Park, but she's here on our return. Jay's putting down treats and cat food. She's sitting there watching. She's just sitting there, but she'll go over as soon as she doesn't see us any longer, so we're going to head on our way. And we have 2 peafowl over at Whispering Hills Ranch. One is the peahen, and the other is her pea chick, which is the same size as she is now. I don't see the other pea chick. My guess is he's not too far away. American Kestrel on the eastern hillside before we get to Fluffy's area. Maybe out hunting. It's so small that it's really hard to see on the hillside, especially when it flies around, but right now it's perched on a plant or something, not a fence post. And it's over there. Watch it disappear as I zoom out. Fluffy coming down off the fence. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, we're back. More treats? You want some more treats? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, Fluffy, we'll see you tomorrow.